Hello students, how are you? I hope you are hale and hearty. Think you are remaining home, assuring the rules of health and hygiene and doing your studies. Today we are going to study Unit 9, Lesson 1, Mother Earth in Crisis. Unit 9, Climate Change. By the end of the lesson, you are able to read and understand text, ask and answer questions, talk about climate and environment, take part in role plays. Climate change. The planet is warming from North Pole to South Pole since 1906. The global average surface temperature has increased by more than 1.6 degrees Fahrenheit, even more in sensitive polar regions. The heat is melting glaciers and sea ice, shifting precipitation patterns, and setting animals on the move. Many people think of global warming and climate change as synonyms, but scientists prefer to use climate change when describing the complex shifts now affecting our planet's weather and climate systems. Climate change encompasses not only rising average temperatures but also extreme weather events, shifting wildlife populations and habitats, rising seas, and a range of other impacts. All of these changes are emerging as humans continue to add heat trapping greenhouse gases to the planet. Mother Earth in crisis. Now some word meaning for you. Climate. Climate is the description of long-term pattern of weather in a particular area. Some scientists define climate as the average weather of a particular region and time period, usually taken over 30 years. Temperature. Temperature is a physical quantity that expresses hot and cold. It is the manifestation of thermal energy present in all matter, which is the source of the occurrence of heat, a flow of energy. Survive. Continue to live or exist, especially in spite of danger or hardship. Now read some text and conversations about weather and climate. Samina and Arif both felt very uncomfortable the other day. It was just the beginning of March and the day was very hot. They started talking with their uncle about weather and climate. Activity. Now choose the best answer from your textbook. Which one of these is an example of climate change? A long day, a windy day, a hot summer day, a sunny day. The answer is a hot summer day. Now, number 2. What does climbing mean? In the statement, temperatures are climbing, shifting, going up, being in crisis, surviving. The answer is going up. 3. If things go on like this. In this sentence, go on means to go places, to change times, to walk fast, to continue. The answer is to continue. 4. How did Samina and Arif react to what Anwar said about climate change? The answer is they wanted to know more about climate change. Now a individual work. Match the pictures with the captions. This is the picture number 1 and the matching is 1 plus F. That means higher temperature. Now the caption is going from the picture 2. wildlife is at extinction. 3 plus caption number D, that means rising sea level at Cox's Bazar. Number 4 is going with E, that means flooding of rivers in monsoon. 5 plus A, that means drought in North Bengal. Number 6 is going with C, that means stronger cyclone and tornadoes. There is a homework for you. Make a list of dangers of climate change that might occur in your locality. Which of the above dangers are you afraid of most? Why? Thank you, students. Be conscious, be safe.